In this screencast, we will go over the process of launching PlayPosit from Schoology and assigning content to learners. After navigating to the desired course, select Add Materials on the Materials page and select PlayPosit from the drop-down menu. On the gray screen, select Set Link or enter PlayPosit to launch PlayPosit. Instructors can now click on Add New Bob to start creating a new Bob, or click on the Schoology icon in front of the Bob to assign it to the course. If playlists are included in the license, instructors can also navigate to the playlist page with a sidebar to create a new playlist or assign a playlist. After clicking on the Schoology icon, please select the learner experience as self-paced learning or synchronized live broadcast, and click Link to assign the Bob. After the Bob is assigned, click on the gear icon behind assignment and select Edit to adjust the title and grading. Please do not edit or change any information in the URL, consumer key, share secret, and custom parameter sections. These sections will be filled by PlayPosit automatically. If this is a graded assignment, please select Enable Grading and provide the required information for grading. Once configured all settings, please click on Save Change. After learners take the Bobs, their grades will automatically pass back to Schoology's gradebook. To view learners' progress, click on the assignment to open it and select the monitor to enter PlayPosit's monitor page. On this page, instructors can see learners' responses to the Bob's interaction and adjust points for learners if needed. After updating learners' grade, please click on Sync Grades to send the updated grade to Schoology.